Dr. Mukul Sangma ubade unong alam kaliang persya. Ha kasngi sajan jong kateo baladab ulalek banjurip ya kajaka sumar bashispa ajingthia ha CHC Mawphor South West Khasi Hills District. Hadin kajing jurip Dr. Mukul Sangma habakran hakilat patai kubor ulapan pau baga jingle Mawphor banjengok kerpang ya kajaka sumar bashispa ajingthia. Kumjuru ya CHC Mawphor bahadukat no kajing trei ban pria ikikam kalalong. Ha kabayadai baga jaka sumar bashispa ajingthia. Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan pau bakalong ke kabamar khongpong ban yui bakate ke jingtei kabal sedang banbu ya umonong rim naduh snem arjakat wei hari haduh mentaru usnem ompat ban pentrikam hakarukom kabadai ulong bakane kalong ke jingdu nong kabakrau na kamata ki pajba kibadon kam ke jingarap hakaliang ka koi kakhia namar kata ulai ke jingkermen bamau lember kaken hun kinsa persyang banwat kilat klenti ban pentrikam no kam kloi ya kate ke jaka ajing sumar namar naduh snem arjakat wei haduh menta kalalong kapor kabas lembha barkum juru kane ka jingtrei bar kiwe ki jinon kam ha kane ka jingtei kinlong ka jingmentoi kinong shongnong hapo ka South West Khasi Hills District namar kumba kalong menta bahapo CHC lajan baro ka jingthia kiladap satang da kinong pang ha kawi pat kaliang Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan pauru baki jing kila bandon shibun kuma kapan penbiang ikinong trei namar kadon ka jing bomya dei ha pedang ka jing dawa ban jing penmi bansiu ne penbiang iki jinon kam kinong trei lakalong iki general doktor neki specialist heriwala kata unsa persyang banle ya kabadai da kabakermen bakini kijing onla banweng hakapor kababiang
to visit CHC as well as this new 100-bedded hospital. It's an irony that the project which was sanctioned in 2011 is still yet to be operational. I'll be glad to see if this is operationalized immediately because 2011 and this is 22, quite long time. But the infrastructure that has been created is definitely something which will benefit the people of the district. And challenge will always be there to have all the specialists in place. We definitely have the huge gap between demand and supply in respect of the manpower, whether it is in terms of general doctor or a specialist. Hopefully, these concerns will be addressed over a period of time. That's precisely the reason why we were working hard to have our medical college, the state's own medical college. Let's see how fast we can see this hospital operationalized. And we are seeing this CHC, almost all the beds are occupied. That's I must say, it's something which is encouraging because it has always been difficult to convince our people to have institutional delivery. Here we see lots of institutional delivery happening, and it definitely reflects people's willingness to get access to our existing healthcare system. I also interacted with the MNHO and other medical and health officers here. They are very effectively utilizing the benefit of mega health insurance scheme, and that is another thing which I would like to place on record my sense of deep appreciation.